Hello everyone, I am your psychology buddy here to make psychology easy and interesting for you all. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out. And if you face any kind of difficulty, write in the comment box, I will try to solve it. So today we are going to study Harlow's theory. So basically this is an experiment which was conducted by Harlow and his colleagues on baby rhesus monkeys. And basically this experiment was like the baby monkeys were separated from their mothers 6 to 12 hours after birth and raised in a laboratory, and after that the infant monkeys were put into cages with one of the two kinds of surrogate mother. As you can see here, one is a plain cylindrical wire mesh, and as you can see this is a mother that is created and is made of wire, and another one is a foam covered with teddy cloth, means it is made of soft cloth. So the monkeys were fed from the bottles connected to the wire mothers, and the other were nursed by the warm terry cloth mother. So after that, when the baby monkeys were allowed to spend time with either kind of mother, they all spent more time with that cloth surrogate mother, even they were being fed with this kind of like a wire mesh mother. Additionally, arrangements were made inside the terry cloth mother, like a pipe that used to give strong jets of air or wind, like to make the monkeys away from the terry cloth mother. Also there were metal spikes present here along the body of the terry cloth mother, so that the baby monkeys be stay away from that mother. So it is a type of rejection to the baby monkeys not to come close contact with this terry cloth mother. This rejection did not have a lasting effect on the monkeys, because after some time they clung to the cloth mother even after all this kind of rejection and all that thing. So in another situation, the baby monkeys were subjected to fear inducing situations, and the baby monkey which was reared by this wire surrogate mother seek no comfort from them, like they can't seek comfort from this wire mother, no, basically. So instead they displayed like behaviors like throwing themselves to the floor or crying, making attempts to escape the cage and all that. Means they never wanted to seek comfort from this wire mother, because they don't know actually how to seek comfort from this wire mother. And the babies which were reared by this terry cloth mother seek comfort from them, like. So after this experiment ended, the baby monkeys were like exposed to their natural setting and taken out from this cage. But after a year of separation from this two kind of mother, they were again like introduced to this two kind of mother, and it is seen that monkeys which were reared by this terry cloth mother, means they just ran to embrace them, but the monkeys which were raised by these mothers, they didn't show any form of interest in them. So there is one drawback in this experiment, like none of the monkeys in either group grew up normally and able to nurture their own offspring normally, because it is not surprising that the dummy mother would not provide the same kind of stimulation and opportunities for development as a live mother gives. So earlier it was believed that attachment primarily occurs from satisfaction of the physical needs such as hunger, etc. But now, after this experiment, Harlow concluded that attachment of infant monkeys to their mother is influenced by the satisfaction of their needs such as contact comfort. Like physical needs such as hunger is very insufficient for fostering attachment to the baby monkeys. And after that, these findings were generalized to explain that human infants' need for contact comfort for a strong emotional bonding to their mother and the other ones. So there are 3 points you should always keep in mind. First one is importance of comfort. Infant monkeys wanted comfort and security from surrogate mother. Showing emotional attachment is critical for healthy development. Yeah, that's why the baby monkeys were clinging to the cloth surrogate and not to the wire or mesh surrogate mother, because only the close surrogate mother can give them the contact comfort they needed. Not only the monkeys, even the babies of the other animals and also the infants of our like human being also want a comfort, also want a contact comfort, so that they stop crying when mothers lifts them to their lap. So second one is critical period for attachment. The study suggests that there is a sensitive period for attachment formation. Monkeys that were deprived of affection early in life face severe social and developmental issues later. Yeah, this is also correct, because after a period, if there is not a healthy attachment with their caregiver or any other person who are close to them, they can't have a normal development, and they face a lot of social and developmental issues. And in later, the third point is impact of isolation. Monkeys raised in isolation or without attachment developed abnormal social behavior, including aggression or difficulty in forming healthy relationship. So it is very true, not only in monkeys but also in human being. We can see that the babies which were isolated from their parents earlier in life, and when they grew up, they tend to be in isolated, or like they face many difficulties in forming relationship with others, and they have many difficult social behaviors too. So we can conclude that a normal attachment is clearly needed for mental and social well-being of an individual to